Good morning, welcome in this class. Today we are going to start our chapter number 6, that is rural administration. In our previous class, in our previous chapter, we have already discussed about Panchayati Raj system. While studying this chapter, we will see a lot of similarities with Panchayati Raj in rural administration. So, let's start our chapter with a story.
There were two persons in a village, Raghu and Mohan. These names are imaginary. Now, this Raghu and Mohan were neighbors. One morning, Raghu found that Mohan, he entered his premises and captured some of his agricultural land. And Mohan is demanding that particular portion of that agricultural land that is actually of his, because it is there in his papers and all. Now both of them were in argument. It even went like physically abusing each other, but there were no solution. Even villagers, the common people, their neighbors, they came to the place, but they have also no solution for this problem. So what they need? They need to go to police station. How police is going to help them? Police station has their own area. That means which police station will go? That is the first question, because every police station, they have an area that is under their control. Whatever the dispute happen, there anything or everything that comes to their own jurisdiction, where they first try to mitigate the problem, discussing among those common people, among those people, those who are arguing to get their rights. Police help them to solve the problem. It can be about any accident, any incident, or any type of criminal activities, as well as this type of some civil cases, like when two people are fighting to get their agricultural land. Now, this is the responsibility of police. Now, when this case came to police, it is the responsibility of the police to find out who is telling the truth. How they will come to know? They can check the papers, whatever Raghu and Mohan have in their hand. But if those papers are not satisfactory, if someone has done some of the malpractices, like in this case, we can see Mohan has done something wrong, showing that even Raghu's land is actually in his portion, and he wants to occupy the land. In that case, police need to take care of another system, that is the work those who are doing the land record system. So, what are the work at the police station? First of all, police wants to know the facts. They will file a FIR, or they will write down a report exactly of what of that incident, what is happened. After that, after they wrote it, they need to inquire who is telling the truth. They need to inquire from those who have their dispute, those two people, and even without their help and without their guidance, the common people in the neighborhood, from them also police need to know that exactly what happened and who has started this, what is their nature, is there any bad report or record in the past. Everything they will find out and they need to inquire on that. Based on the crime, police is responsible to produce the people or punish the people who has done the crime, or even who is the other person who has given the report to produce their argument to the court. Here we need to discuss this particular case where land dispute is connected with police is going to do them. Next, this case will go to the maintenance of the land record department. The people, those who are responsible for the maintenance of land records, they now will look after the matter and they will find out what their records are telling. Now, system is very much improved. Previously, it was all handwritten report that one copy is with the people, the person who had it, and the another paper copy, the hard copy, that used to be with the land maintenance department. But now it is mostly computerized, so it is very easy to get what exactly is there, and very tough for them, those who are corrupted, those who are trying to do some malpractices. It is very tough for them because it is already fixed in the database of the land and revenue department. It is already there. Now, who is doing this work? Now we'll discuss who maintain the land record. Actually, this work is done by a man. We called him Patwari. We called him as Patwari. Now, this Patwari is a man who is responsible now to go to this disputed land where both these parties, they are fighting. Raghu and Mohan, they are fighting over. So, this Patwari, he will go to that land, he will get the measurement of that land properly, and as per his record, Patwari's record that is kept, that is saved in land and revenue department, he will now give his report, that is exactly who is responsible to occupy others' land, actually whose land it is. The Patwari known by different names, they can be called as Lekhpal. Lekhpal is a name that is taken from a Mughal time, because those who used to write down, they were the one who used to write down the details of the land. So that is the reason that name Lekhpal was given to them. Lekhpal is also called as Kanungo or Karamchari or village officer, etc. Actually, their work is to find out that whenever there is a land dispute, they are responsible to find out. Now, whatever their work done, Patwari's work done, whenever it is done, there are some senior officers and they take decision before a Patwari gave a report. So they also sitting in their office, sometime even visiting the place, disputed place. They also help the Patwari to complete the measurement, and senior officers, all of them together, they come to a report. They come to a conclusion that what report must be given to the court, that is disputed land that belongs to whom. Even if there is no land dispute, if we think that there is no land dispute, everything is going on smoothly, even that case, Patwari has a lot of work. It is not only someone is complaining about something, then only they are going and measuring that land. Even to fix the tax on a land property, Patwaris, they need to know this land revenue officer, they need to know what is the amount of property that belongs to a person. So in that case also measurement is needed. Patwari is responsible even to collect tax from the common people. As the records are there, this is done as the records are kept, and it is important for the Patwari to regularly update that. Someone is buying a land, someone is selling a land, or whatever the changes are there in the land system, someone is donating the land, or by the succession rule, someone inherited one property. Every changes of name, changes of position, these all must come under Patwari's jurisdictions, which in a particular place they are responsible to find out the proper data and to fill them in the land and maintenance record. Senior people also, they are there, those who are helping in the Patwari's work. All states in India, we know that they are divided into districts for managing matter. I told you in the previous lesson also, it is not so easy always. That the districts are divided into the minute parts that are village panchayats. So land also is dividing in the same way, and as the work of the Patwari. So the Patwari is sitting in the district, but it is responsible even the minute village where the land dispute are going on. There is a person who is leading this team, and we call him as district collector. Under his jurisdiction, revenue officer, those who are known as tehsildars, they are also there. So this is a team, a complete team, those who are looking for rural administration. The district collectors, the police superintendent, police officers, and the other way, the Lekpal and the Patwari, they all are together to get a decision. Now, whenever there is a dispute like this, land dispute, the one we are discussing about between Raghu and Mohan, now police need to go to that district collector with whatever their inquiry report. They will be presenting that information of the district magistrate or district collector, Now, collector has to order through the Patwari or this land and revenue department to inquire exactly what happened, who is the owner of that land as per their record, and this land revenue department will give their report based on that, and based on the inquiry done by police officers, district magistrate is giving his judgment. District collector is giving his judgment. So this much for today. We will continue this chapter in our next class.